How to fix access not available in TikTok Live Studio. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you have updated your TikTok app. Head over to your Play Store, then simply type in TikTok. If you see update instead of open, tap onto update and update your app. Once done, open up your TikTok and get logged into your TikTok account. Once you do so, tap onto your profile on your bottom right hand side and you will see a page like this. Now, you have to be very certain that you have 1,000 followers or so in order to go live. If you still have 1,000 followers and if you are not being able to get live TikTok access, tap on 3-bar icon of your top right hand side, tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way below under support and about, tap on report a problem. Here under topics, expand the option that says account and profile, then select a profile page. Here tap on other, tap on to know and tap on need more help. You will get landed onto TikTok help desk. Here select the option of live and then simply have a chat with the TikTok help desk and you can simply explain your problem at this section. And just like so guys, this is how you can fix your problem. That is all for today. Thank you all for watching and we will catch you up in our next upload.